What's up guys, this is your boy V right here. Today we're gonna talk about replacing several tools or maybe some of them with one tool. So everybody knows what is this, the best tool ever. You can do everything with this. This is the same brand, Klein tools, Crimper. Let's see how this works. You can crimp like that, small ones. See how it crimps right here. And just regular pliers, needle nose, and if anybody knows this tool, it's a stripper. It's an automatic stripper. I'll show you right now what does that mean. If you have your 12 gauge wire on, so you put it in 12 gauge and just do it like that, or if it's not working, so you put it in 14 amps, so it does it. Let's try again. 14. I don't know why you have to put it 14, 14, 12, 12, 10. Alright, moving forward. And needle nose. Sorry about that. And you know guys, needle nose you use to make hooks like that to connect outlets. Alrighty. All this away. Clean it up. Introducing new tools. Bam. These are all multifunction pliers. 6-in-1, there's 7-in-1, there's Klein tools, Southwire, Amazon stuff, really cheap, $18. Around $20, Milwaukee option. Okay, so we're gonna check one by one, see how they perform. Let's start from Milwaukee because I'm a fan of Milwaukee. Okay, let's check it out. So what do we got here? We got the wire cutter right there. We got the wire cutter right there. Works fine. And then the stripper, manual stripper. So you put it on 12, and we're having trouble to take it out, but could work. How about the needle nose? Let's try the needle nose, guys. Yeah, pretty decent hook. Almost the same thing as regular needle nose. Okay, what else they have? They have a wire cutter, bolt cutter actually. You can cut bolts, but this is how it works. And just regular pliers. Well, it's not gonna perform this tool, but it still can do the job, and it's spring loaded Next. Next is gonna be a Southwire option. Let's open it up. Pretty bulky. I'm not a big fan of bulky tools, but very sturdy and have only 3 options of stripping the wire. Same bolt cutters right here, plus have a crimper. Let's see how this crimper performs. Let's see if we put it right here. That cream. Not bad. Really nice. Nice cream. Again, has a really bulky and heavy duty looking wire cutter. Not bad. And then I think this can work as a wire stripper as well. Just need to be very careful. That works. And let's try 12 gauge, 12 gauge. Alright, okay, alright. It's pretty heavy, but performs really good. Moving forward. We have another really bulky option, Husky. Really heavy. Let's open it up. Alright, no spring, but has another crimper. Let's check this crimper, compare with Southwire. Alright. Okay, almost same kind of style. Let's try to strip some wires. 12 gauge, 12 gauge, second one. There we go. There we go. Yeah, didn't work, of course. I'll try 14. There we go. Perfect. It works pretty fine. I mean, it's Husky. It will serve you some time, but just a little bulky tool. Moving forward, we have another option from Amazon. This thing has been on the field already. It's been used a couple times, but as you can see, this one already has the teeth kind of worn out, and I mean, you can compare with Klein tools or anything. The quality sucks, but has a crimper, has a middle nose, all the sizes, and a wire cutter right here, and bolt cutters as well. Next, we're gonna have Klein tools, all-purpose pliers. Really nice, but really long compared to if you compare with Milwaukee. This is really long tool, but you can feel the quality. Let's see. So Klein tools has different kind of wire cutters right here. They're different style, kind of old school, like on a regular plier. See. Okay, and makes noise. Spring makes noise. Let's try to strip 12. Works. Cut it. Strip it. Okay. Klein tools, best for electricians. Moving to the last option, which is Klein tools again. Almost same thing compared to the previous one. Almost same thing, but this has a crimper. This has a crimper instead of a spring. The rest is absolutely same. The size is exactly the same. But let's check it out. Wire cutter. It's okay. But that was good for stripping out the wire. This thing is good. Not too sharp. For taking out the cover from the Romex. Really easy. And then you go to number 14. Bam. And the crimper and some little other, some kind of plier you can use, but this crimper is gonna be slightly different than the ones before from Husky and Southwire. This crimper is slightly different. And as you can see, it crimps twice instead of one. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like the idea, and we're gonna continue doing this, reviewing tools and comparing them and using on a field. Thank you, subscribe, see you later.